this is one of the most important parts of our classroom, and it's where the desks are set up. The space doesn't really allow for separate rows, so I have little teams and little groups, which is actually great for teamwork, cooperative learning, and partner work, and all of that. And so I am a little bit old-fashioned. I still have a chalkboard, which I love to use. In addition to that, I've got the LCD, which is connected. I'm one of the only rooms without a smart board, but we make it work just fine. And so we use this space quite a bit. This is we store paper over here and things like that. And over here, we have our geography word wall. Once a week, we use this. I have a chair chart, which I'll explain later, that talks about which student is assigned to this every single week. But primarily, every Tuesday when we have geography, whoever's day it is, like let's say the word is Arctic tundra, they'll get to come up with the magnets and put the words up. While they're doing that, the other students, I'll write Arctic tundra up on the chalkboard, and the other students at their desks on a piece of paper will have to rearrange the letters in Arctic tundra and create a whole bunch of different words, and then we go over those words on the board. Also, I try to really maximize my space by little mini rolling storage units. So this stores books. I sorted all of my books this year according to Lexile levels, and I used our NUIA testing data and our baseline standardized testing data at the beginning of the year to determine where everybody's Lexile number was at, and then they have access to the books according to Lexile levels. And we have, the great thing about the chalkboard obviously is the magnetic things, and one of the other magnetic items that we have is our homework board. It's a Sunday right now, so I have the homework board set up for Monday. What I really like to do is every Monday morning with both of my ELA groups, I set up the homework for the entire week. It's the same process that I use every single week to maintain consistency, to maintain organization for the kids, to help them practice their time management and organizational skills. And they have to copy down this into their planner. I check it off, we pass it out, we go over everything, we do a fluency activity with it, and then they're 100% set up for the entire week, and it just works. And then at the end of the day tomorrow, we'll write down what's our math homework, what's our science homework. I can also use this if the kids need to know about anything upcoming, band concert, DARE graduation, field trip, whatever. It's right here, and we use this every single day. This is also where we have our computer on wheels, which we have our computers, which we can just have daily access to, which is great. And then over here, I've put our band schedule because my 5th graders have weekly lessons with the band director. And then I put our special schedule as well.